just like, why would you want to put a dirty edge brush on your hair anyway? Hey y'all, it's Miss Panda here, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do my half up, half down do. It's super simple, and I promise you, you're gonna love the finished look. It's gonna be sleek, it's gonna be cute, it's gonna be trendy. You're gonna love it. Firstly, I wanna show you guys what you need, because if you don't have these things, the half up, half down look is not gonna look as smooth and clean as you want it to look. First, you need a brush that can brush through all your hair, okay? Second, you'll need a comb. That's if you like, you know, your parts to be like really straight. I really don't care, but some people might. Thirdly, bobby pins, of course, because why not? Fourthly, an edge brush, y'all. Yes, an edge brush. Now, as you can see, mine's is clean today, which is kind of shocking, but I think I cleaned it just for you guys. But no lie, I do clean my edge brush a lot, because I find that dirty edge brushes just do not lay your hair the same. And just like, why would you want to put a dirty edge brush on your hair anyway? But as y'all can see, this edge brush has been used for a long time, and my dog has chewed the bottom half of it. By my dog, I mean my sister's dog, because y'all know I ain't got no children. But yeah, he chews up my stuff, but the top part is fine, so I'm not gonna throw it away. Is that, I mean, I could definitely afford another one because it's like only like $2, but anyway, it still works, and it's like one of my favorite edge brushes. So I mean, you can also use a toothbrush, but I guess it depends on what you like. The fifth thing you're gonna need is edge control. I use the one that Sweetie be on. I don't have no, what's that word? I don't have no sponsorship, so I'm not gonna drop any major labels down, but the gel control that Sweetie uses is nice. I will say that. And you guys can just Google it and do with that information what you may. Guys, I flat ironed my hair. As you can see, I flat ironed it straight, bone straight. And then I wrapped my edges down so that my edges wouldn't be, you know, sticking out. One thing I'm always gonna do is lay my edges down right before I do any type of ponytail look, because I want my edges to naturally lay down so that I don't have to use so much edge control, guys. Because honestly, the minute you put edge control in your hair, all this gunk stays in your hair, and it's just like, oh my goodness, the most annoying thing ever. And I'm not for it. First, I'm gonna start with brushing my hair through and stuff, just getting any tangles out that you might have. It just helps. And I'm brushing it in the backward motion because my ponytail's gonna be going back, so that's why. Just getting all the hair brushed to the back. So take a comb, and I at least make sure it's straight where you can see it. So go here, and then whatever else happens under that is nobody's business, because I'm not really into like getting completely straight parts that no one's gonna see anyway, because it's like, it doesn't make any sense. But okay. So once I do that, I stick my hand through and make sure that most of my hair is on the bottom half and stuff, because you only need a little bit of hair for the top ponytail. I'm gonna use a brush to gather all my hair together. I know I look funny, but it's gonna look good in the end. All right. So now that I have a ponytail, I always stick my hand in a few times to like make sure that I don't leave too much inside the ponytail, which I feel like everybody should do, because why not? Okay guys, I'm gonna switch over to voiceover so that I can just concentrate on doing it and you just watch me. Okay. All right, guys, I'm back. And of course, it's scrunchie time. It doesn't matter what color, guys, as long as it's a nice scrunchie that doesn't break your hair out. All right, we're going back in with edge control and a edge control brush. What you want to do is get the perimeter of your ponytail to help it look sleek and cute. Okay, guys, you want to do this right because this is how your hair is going to lay. So lay it right. So I'm going in with the edge brush, making sure that my ponytail looks amazing. Definitely get all those baby hairs. We'll get the baby hairs out in a little bit. That's like the next step. So I take out the ponytail again because you want a cleaner ponytail once you put the edge control in, so you can just re-ponytail it right after. All right, guys, so I'm going back and wetting my edge brush to help lay my edges a little bit more. I wet it with water, something simple. I think it just helps with this particular brand of edge control. And then I'm gonna put my scarf on to help lay my edges down. And this takes a little bit of a while, guys. I mean, you won't be in it all day, but at least 30 minutes to an hour, so no worries. And then, guys, we're at a point where we can do edge control. All right, guys, so we're doing our baby hairs. I don't do a lot. Some people do, but I don't because my face is small. All right, guys, so I'm going to tell y'all how to make a very cute ponytail. You want to take the longest strand of hair that you have and then wrap it around the ponytail. Make sure you brush out the longest strand first so that it's a clean wraparound. But super simple and easy, guys, right? So after you wrap it around, you want to make sure that the hair ends in the back of your head so that you get a bobby pin and put it at the back of your head so that no one sees the bobby pin. Guys, we're pretty much done. This is the finished look. I'm also relaying my baby hairs because you know. All right, guys, this is the finished look. If you want to know how I got this outfit, I don't have any sponsorships, but guys, Fashion Nova. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you on the flip side.
Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one.
Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one.
Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one.
Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one.